Describe yourself in 3 words.
3 words. Forgetful. Always a happy person. A good mother.
Okay. Pork or chicken?
Both.
Prada or Gucci?
Gucci.
Do you like long drives?
Absolutely.
When is the next movie releasing?
Acha. Very soon, next year.
Wow. Can't wait to see, guys. Your favorite lipstick brand?
Milani. The
Wow.
color statement.
Wow,
by
that's a good
Milani.
one.
Yeah.
One thing you always carry in your bag?
I always carry a sanitizer, tissue paper, perfume,
Mm-hmm.
diapers for babies.
That's a must. One thing you always wanted to try?
I always wanted to try to swim, no, without that thing, that life jacket or that tube.
Huh.
Swim
Okay.
onto the, like into the deeper side.
Okay. Something people don't know about you.
People doesn't know so many things about me, so I won't tell.
And who's your favorite actor
Favorite actor in Hollywood?
in Hollywood?
In Hollywood, Ryan Gosling.
And in Bollywood?
In Bollywood, Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan, Akshay Kumar, Siddharth
Wow.
Malhotra.
So the best gift ever you received?
Best gift. Honesty.
Okay. And your favorite perfume?
Favorite perfume is Dolce & Gabbana, the only one.
Perfect. And what are you doing tomorrow?
Tomorrow, I have a rehearsal in the morning, and then I'll be heading to shoot, for shoot.
Wow. One message you would love to leave to your fans?
Be happy, be healthy, and always be kind.
Thank you.
Thank you, Tam.